അല്ല, അയാളെ കണ്ടു എന്ന് ഞാൻ പറയായിരുന്നു.
Oh, wonderful musical evening to all of you. I am very delighted to introduce my classmate, entrepreneur and a good singer, Mr. John Matthew, to all of you. Very nice of you, Mr. John, to have with us this evening.
Hi. Yes, very nice to meet you.
Thank you. Before the conversation, let us begin with your song. Could you please sing a song for us?
कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुप कैसे आए मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में, कई सपनों में दीप जलाए, कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुप कैसे आए. Okay, enough. No?
Oh, wonderful song. You are singing very well. Thank you, John. From your childhood, you have this spirit of singing. How you developed this? Could you please tell me who is behind it for this good development?
Actually, my father and mother, they used to sing well. And my father, he was more interested in classical music than film music. So he started teaching me the principles, the basic principles. And from there, I started building it up. That's how it happened. Actually, I didn't have any professional training in this sector.
Oh, very nice of you. Even without the professional training, you are singing very well. And within your busy schedule, how you could manage to handle music also? You have a musical troupe, everything. How you are, feeling or doing good musical evening to everybody, and the music is for happiness. You make others happy. How was it possible for you?
During my college days and after that, I used to collaborate with my friends in a music troupe. So from there it started. Then again, once I reached Kuwait, I was a member of a professional troupe. So there was the chance to develop my music year after year. And I didn't drop it. I just continue till now. And if there is any possibility, still now, I go to sing professionally.
It's very good. So let me ask you, from your college life, could you please tell me your journey from the college to here, or from your childhood to here? Because I will be very happy to share with you also, with my friends also. How you become an entrepreneur in between. Briefly you tell, that's all.
Actually, after we were together for 5 years. So once I completed the degree course, I went for postgraduate degree. Started studying in Pathanamthitta Catholic College in history, main as history. Though I was with you in economics for my graduation, I joined history. I preferred history for the post-graduation. Fortunately or unfortunately, I couldn't complete the course. In between, I went for an interview and got selected in Federal Bank Limited in 19. So I dropped the educational part of it, started my professional career. From 72 to 76, so up to 75, I was working in Federal Bank as a clerk. And from there, I went for an interview with the Union Bank of India for the officer's post. I got selected. I started my career in Union Bank of India as an officer in 1975 December. And in 1976 July, I got a chance to go to Kuwait. My brother was there. He sent me a visa. So again, I resigned the post in Union Bank of India and started to Kuwait. In Kuwait, from 1976 onwards, I was working with Bank of Kuwait and the Middle East, one of the leading banks in Kuwait. Now it is no more there because it got amalgamated to some other bank. AUB is the name now at present. I worked there from 1976 to 93. 93, I had to resign from there and come back to India because of my family circumstances. From there onwards, in 1993 onwards, I started a small business in a native place here. It is in Pathanamthitta. And I was doing the business, continuing the business till last February. Last February, I closed down the shop. Now I am all free again without any job now.
Again, back to music troupe you have. Or you are, how you contribute to the music?
No, because once I reached India, because in Kuwait I had a troupe, Moods and Melodies was the name of the troupe.
Okay.
And still my friends are there. Some of them are there still. In India, once I reached India, I joined Rotary Club of Pathanamthitta. And there I had the chance to continue music. Once in a while, we were arranging programs and I was the leader. So still now, whenever there is a program, except COVID time, I'll be having some musical programs also, or after the program. So still now, I sing on the stage, but nowadays very rarely.
Very nice to hearing from you. And I want that, Mr. John, could you please sing a song on Malayalam or Tamil about Krishna, because today is Janmashtami. So could you please, or Telugu? You are a very good singer, I know that, because daily I am hearing to you.
Because there is no accompaniment.
No problem.
Karna கருமை நிலை கண்ணா உன்னை காணாத கண்ணிலே கண்ணா கருமை நிலை கண்ணா உன்னை காணாத கண்ணிலே. Because I don't know the lines also.
No problem, it's good. So, the song which you love, because many songs you sang more than 1,000, 2,000 like that, which one you like best? At least two lines.
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा वो कसम इरादा भूलेगा दिन जिस दिन तुम्हें वो दिन जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, वो कसम इरादा. Okay.
Very good. Because we can't listen to the full song. It's very good. So thank you very much for giving a chance to talk to you and interview you, so that I can tell that he's my close friend. He studied with me 5 years. Then very good show in the evening, because everybody likes music. Music is for happiness. So today we got the happiness only because of you singing at least few lines
Thank you so much.
or
Thank
whatever
you.
you like that. Very nice of you. Thank you very much. Wish you
Yeah,
all the best. And before that, I would like to ask about your family, because all of you are singing family. We can say your sons, daughter, everybody is singing. So let God give them all wealth, health, everything. Wish you all the best from
Thanks.
my
Thank
side.
you.
Very
Thank
nice
you.
of you, John.
Very
So
nice to meet.
really,
Very nice to meet you, Lakshmi.
thank you very
Meenakshi.
much. Meenakshi, yes. Thank you very much. Anyway, I was trying a lot, because I proved that if you try, if you are
There is
not
nothing.
giving up, nothing is impossible. Understood?
That's
So I did it, I proved it. Thank you
Again,
very much.
Yeah,
Thank
I
you
pray
very
for
much.
your family, your health. Let God give you everything possible. Okay.
Thank you very much.
जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन, कहते हैं तेरी राह में नजरों को हम बिछाएंगे. जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन, कहते हैं तेरी राह में नजरों को हम बिछाएंगे. चाहे कहीं भी तुम रहो, चाहे तुमको उम्र भर तुमको न भूल पाएंगे. कदम जहाँ पड़े सजदे किए थे प्यार ने. मेरे कदम जहाँ पड़े सजदे किएंगे प्यार ने. मुझको रुला रुला दिया जाती हुई बहार में. जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन, तेरी राह में नजरों को हम बिछाएंगे. चाहे कहीं भी तुम न हो, चाहे तुमको उम्र भर तुमको न भूल पाएंगे. कोरा कागज था ये मन मेरा मेरा मेरा, लिख लिया नाम इस पे तेरा तेरा तेरा। कोरा कागज था ये मन मेरा, लिख लिया नाम इस पे तेरा।
सोना आंगन था जीवन मेरा, बस गया प्यार जिसपे तेरा।
टूट न जाए सपने मैं करता हूँ, इस दिन सपनों में देखा करता हूँ। टूट न जाए सपने मैं डरता हूँ, इस दिन सपनों में देखा करता हूँ। नैना खजराने मितवारे वो इशारे, खाली दर्पण था ये मन मेरा।